One.
The directions for installing the Freedom Pet Pass are a little different in a raised panel door than they are in a flat door. In order to finish the interior side off, the side I've got flipped up already, I've taped off the area that recesses and the vinyl trim itself. Coming really close to directly straight down and covering up as much of that PVC as I can. I'm going to take some caulk and fill the hole with that. I don't have to go too crazy. And the same thing here. There. And that's done. Now that it's been caulked up properly, I'm going to go ahead and start lifting the tape. I always want to raise the bottom one first and then tape whatever off the clean edge. Do that. I'm going to bring the tape up on angle and bring it across and lifting. At the same time, we do both edges and we've got a nice clean edge line. Do the same thing one more time. Lift, scissoring it across the vinyl, lift up, and remove that. How's that look?
Go ahead.
All right, well, we flipped the door. I'm going to go ahead and remove the clamp, and then I'm going to finish off taping the masking tape as I've done on the inside. I'm going to do on the exterior side as well. Now, this is no longer necessary. I'll be right back, folks. I want to fix this.
What? Fix what? Rip the thing off.
It don't have to be much, but it's just got to be right in there. No one's going to see anything there. That one's good. That one's good. That one should be good too. Okay.
It's
When
in
you're
your
ready.
pocket.
What do you think?
It's the outside edge of knocker.
Dave, he's filming.
Yeah. I don't care.
Let's start over.
I'm going to finish up caulking the exterior side of the pet door application. There's some caulking there. I want to fill that hole really good. And one more time here. Doesn't matter if I'm a little excessive on the caulk. We've got it plenty well lined out. There we go. So once again, lift the bottom before you lift the top, and scissor the bottom across the top. And you will come out with a professional looking application each and every time. How's that look? The reason why